NORTIV 8 Women's Comfortable Walking Running Tennis Shoes MovePropel Athletic Gym Workout Jogging Fashion Sneakers are a versatile and stylish choice for active women. Designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, these shoes are perfect for a range of activities, including walking, running, playing tennis, working out at the gym, jogging, and even as a fashionable sneaker for everyday wear. Made with a breathable mesh upper, the shoes ensure adequate ventilation, keeping your feet cool and dry even during intense workouts. The lightweight construction enhances mobility, while the cushioned insole provides excellent shock absorption and comfort for prolonged periods. Additionally, the flexible outsole is designed to provide optimal traction and stability on various surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a morning jog, engaging in a high-intensity gym workout, or simply running errands, the NORTIV 8 shoes offer the perfect blend of performance and style. Their sleek and modern design makes them an excellent addition to any outfit, seamlessly transitioning from workout gear to casual wear. With the NORTIV 8 Women's Comfortable Walking Running Tennis Shoes MovePropel Athletic Gym Workout Jogging Fashion Sneakers, you no longer have to compromise on comfort or style.